Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on a Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. To do this, you'll need to open in Google Play Store, enter Microsoft Edge in the search. Now select the browser and install it. When it's ready, you should be able to launch it. Here you can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later by clicking on sign in later. You can accept or disagree with the data sharing preference. I'm gonna disagree and proceed. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And here we can open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.